With multi-language audio coming to YouTube, you need to know the top languages on YouTube so you can maximize your growth going forward. With the likes of Mr. Beast dubbing his videos in multiple languages,
we just hit 100 million subscribers!
You can now see how important it happens to be to jump onto this bandwagon early, get ahead of the trends and get your name out there. Here are the 11 languages that you should focus on. English, it's the most dominant on YouTube. This is a catch-all for most people across the entire platform before you start specializing. Arabic, a hugely growing, hugely influential region that has a lot of money, so could help you with your CPM. French, there are many regions throughout the world that speak French. Obviously France, but you have Canada, and after all, it's the language of love, so why not get people to fall in love with your content and subscribe? German, an amazingly fast growing audience which has a very loyal fan base. Hindi, if you're going to attack the large regions of the world that are integrating the internet into their everyday life, then you need to look at places like India with Hindi to maximize your growth. Spanish. Now this is one of those things where once again, it's kind of a catch-all for everyone that doesn't speak English. You've got large regions in the US that speak Spanish, not to mention Mexico and obviously Spain. Those are the most influential locations. Now I'm going to fire you through a lightning round of other places which are top secret that could boost your engagement. But first, how do you localize these things to make the best out of this new content? I use Voquent. Voquent are language experts with years of experience in voiceover, dubbing and translation. They can help YouTubers pick the right language for their niche, maximize views and increase ad revenue earnings. They have multiple tiered packages, so YouTubers can pick options that work best for them. You can start with the starter package, have a little sample, see how it goes, and then as you figure out that the human element of dubbing is so much better than AI, you can find your specific voice and expand from there. They only use human voices and translators. It's the best way to connect with your audience. It shows your audience that you care about them and that you're not some kind of algorithmic afterthought. You've gone out of your way to make it personalized for them. They pre-vet and approve all native talent and translators, so high quality is guaranteed. And best of all, a little special offer from Voquent from me to you. Voquent will give you the first 10 minutes for free, subject to terms and conditions. If you want to find out how you can translate your content, there's a link in the description down below. Please mention Alan and then you'll get the deal. Lightning round. These are influential locations that I would suggest dubbing to that can help you with SEO and reach your brand international acclaim. Italian, Japanese, Korean, Mandarin and Portuguese. YouTube is about to explode with multi-language audio. Make sure that you understand how it all works. I've got a playlist right here.